Tonga and I can't read Tonga.
I'm not Xhosa, but I can hear Xhosa.
Okay, I'm saying I can't read Tonga, so please don't ever do that again because I was so confused. I'm like, did you text me, Papa?
Never do that again. Never.
Unless you're willing to teach me how to read Tonga.
That's
do not
how
send
I'm
me a
teaching you.
text.
Not never do that again. Sounds like a command.
Sorry.
Don't ever say that again.
Okay.
My day was just busy. I never got chance to eat anglanga. So, Ziakala, I'm hungry. Yeah. So I'm gonna eat what I prepared for morning. She said, never do that again. And I'm like, never do that again. Who are you to tell me that? Don't tell me that nonsense.
Where did you get this food from?
From my friend's place. Because I carry here, we don't cook.
Excuse me?
Exactly. Who else must eat? You.
I asked you if I should cook. What did you say to me? No, he will eat the food that I made.
So, Mina, I'm just tired of buying takeaways.
But then, honestly speaking, as we all see, this relationship won't work out. Like, it won't work out. From baqeda ukushada labantu belwa. Like, ukubona nilwa every day. Like, uHlalane is trying. Like, he's trying. Good, like, abe khona for umfazi wakhe. But then, uNompumelelo, angazi ulwa enye impi ugirl. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. So in this episode, uHlalane sent a text ngeSitsonga, and then Umpumelelo didn't understand, and while communicating I am jealousy, but then I didn't understand. Please never do that again. uHlalane waqala ke wathi Nompumelelo must never command her, and then kudayari session yakhe wathi engamjwayeli kabi. I feel like lawa ngeke bezwane like anytime soon. Nompumelelo is full of herself, first of all, and I don't think uHlalane a perfect match yakhe because she doesn't seem attracted to uHlalane. She's just pretending nje sonke siyabona, and uyamnyatsa nje every chance she gets. I hope nje yazi uyashintsha because uHlalane shem he's trying, and now South Africa yonke ikwatile yashithi now sokumele sime nendoda kubeni kumele simela wena Mpumelelo. She should just eyekele nje ama-past traumas wakhe ehlale phansi ayisho ukuthi ufuna ukushada. She came to the show ethi ufuna ukushada, then akahlale phansi amane akhulumisane noHlulane abe umfazi lo athi ufuna ukuba wuye. She must cook. A husband must not ask you to cook. Actually, you're married. Make sure you go to the house. Ihlale right, man. Guys, Nina, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.